There's a little bit of something for everybody in it. It's very easy reading. There's nothing heavy about the book. It makes you cry, it makes you happy, it makes you sad, it makes you want to smile, and I think that's what a book is all about.
I think essentially bonsai kitten and the term,
Yeah.
I think is very relevant to all kinds of women and some experiences in their life. I mean, at some point in time, probably quite a few women have been bonsai kitten. So in that sense, there is a sort of resemblance. Of course, they have a different life trajectory and stuff, but yes, it is about women who have been controlled somewhere and who sort of not been able to fully blossom and have kept their wishes and their desires under wraps and taken time to come out of it. So in that sense, there is a certain similarity.
जो भी लिखा हुआ है, I think everyone can relate to it because at some point you have been through certain things in your life that you kind of read it and you say, oh my God, that is me and that was me or whatever. So I think such reading is very good for every woman and everybody because somewhere in the character you see a bit of yourself and you feel happy that someone has actually taken the trouble to get down there and put it on paper without feeling shy about it or without being embarrassed about it. So I think that's very gratifying for a woman.
In fact, I think the Bonsai Kitten is a quintessential Bollywood potboiler. There is a female protagonist which Gauri has already dealt with in her film, and it's very endearing to when you read it. So there's everything in it. Like I said, there's hope, there's love, there's despair, there's high, there's lows, there's drama. So in my I think in my head I would say this has everything a Bollywood potboiler.